Oh yeah. Okay. That was a weird way to take out the key. Another mod day. We're finally doing it today. We're porting the intakes on the old girl, old Bessie. Check out the Thunderbird. And a nice little camera. Oh yeah. Oh dang, Poppy. Dang. Come on.
Oh, there it is. See, I haven't had a 2014.
I always come prepared, man. Look at this.
This guy. Damn, my dad took all my fucking tools. This one, man. He doesn't want to bring them back. He told me, if you want them back, come get them. I'm like, what the fuck? No.
Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. But here they are. P3 Performance ported intakes. Huge shout out to Paul from P3 Performance for sending me these intakes. We're gonna put them to some good use, I'll tell you that. Alright, so first things first, we gotta take the cold air intake off, and then what are these tubes, dude? What's this?
I have no fucking clue what this is, but I just fucking pulled it off. And this, I'm guessing this transfers the oil, because this is where I put my catch can. So.
Yeah. You like my shirt, dude? I'm wearing it for all the V8 guys.
What does it say? Get over it.
Because they say get a V8 because they have a V6. Look at
Let's
this.
just do that.
Look at this hole.
Yeah.
Compared to. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
There's a lot of people probably think that they're not screwing them right. Pressure. So they have that. So I would just get pliers and pull them out.
Oh jeez.
Let's go compare them.
The stock intakes right here compared to P3 Performance. Just look at the work right here, nice and smooth. But hell yeah. We're ready to gain some ponies.
To remove the fuel rod, you need to disconnect the connectors on the injectors, and it comes right off. If you want to disconnect this, you can, but the fuel's gonna come out and you might burn yourself.
And when we get here, we're gonna get cooling all over the fucking place. And they do recommend that you cover your intake manifold, your lower intake, with some tissue or something, so that way you don't drop some bolts in there.
Yeah.
I'm trusting you, man.
I trust myself.
I'm trusting you, dude. Drop shit in my mouth.
This all comes off in one piece. That's where you're gonna spill the coolant. Back there, you're gonna spill coolant too.
We're gonna make a mess. Look at that. Look at all that coolant. Jesus. Want to stay on its own? Is it hot?
I won't say because it's gonna go that way.
Fucking hot. Alright, yeah, I got it right here.
This is what freaking is a bitch. Now let's get this bit. Oh my god.
What? Coolant?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that. What a mess. So this part was just
This white little clip.
fucking pain in the ass.
It's the worst thing you're gonna do doing this.
Yeah.
So what I did, I put the pry tool in between the clip itself and the plastic, and just push up. Just don't break this thing because then you're screwed.
Yeah.
So just gently push up and have someone else pull this part while you're pulling
Your
too.
lower intake.
And it's up.
Oh shit. So here's the stock intakes. P3s. Oh, and by the way, Paul, if you're watching, the Thunderbird wants a set of your ported intakes because he saw how good your work is. Huh?
True.
Alright, we're losing daylight. But it's time to put Big Bertha on. Alright, let's do this, man. Alright, we finished up. We just need to go pick up some coolant because, yeah, there's nothing in there. Appreciate your help, dude. I won't get close to you since you don't like fucking close-ups. Is that the Wendy's 4for4? Oh, alright. What's up? First time with the ported intakes, P3. Ported intakes are on the car finally. Hell yeah. It's time to go gap some Civics, Ivan. Pumping some gas because she's running on fucking fumes right now. But yeah, we're now with the black roof, another black accent to the car, and I think it looks pretty aggressive now. And of course we got the P3 Performance intakes on there.
Oh shit, okay, go.
Coolant, I'll tell you that. Alright, bro, here you go. Thank you for wrapping my hood or my roof, and thank you for your help, dude. I really appreciate it, man. Alright guys, we're fast forwarding to the next day. Went ahead and gave the car a quick wash. See it looking nice and pretty right here. Oh yeah. So last night we installed the P3 Performance upper and lower ported intake manifolds, and we did run into one little issue, but it was our error. We didn't bolt down one of the screws in the back, so it was kind of like at an angle, and it was causing a leak with the coolant, but we fixed that up and everything's running fine. So all that's left to do now is data log the car, send it into MPT, so that way they can get the full potential out of my car. And I'll be sure to get some footage of that. And I also had Ivan wrap my roof black, so nice little detail there. Let me know what you guys think of that. And after driving with the intakes for about a day or so, I just think the car sounds a little bit more healthy, in my opinion. And real quick, I just want to give a huge shout out to Paul from P3 Performance for hooking me up with these ported intakes. I really do appreciate that, Paul. And if you guys want a set of ported intakes for yourself, down in the description below. P3 Performance, best intakes on the market. But that's all I got for you guys today. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you guys drop a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I'm crawling with the rats and the roaches. Never turn my back to the vultures. I'ma need to check on your